How to fix Microsoft installer error 2869 on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix Microsoft installer error 2869 on Windows 10. 1. Run the installation package with administrative right. For advanced Windows users, follow https://www.quora.com/how-do-how-i-fix-error-code-i-installing-a-msi-file to granted administrator privileges temporarily. 2. Run the latest installation file. 3. You should consider upgrading from the old Windows Vista, if still available, to the unsupported Windows 7, at least. 4. Review the installation file system requirements. For example, some application, like EDI-Vote, could not work on 64-bit Office and EDI-Vote does require administrational rights during installation.